Do I agree on an individual basis? You have the one patient who's made crazy by being isolated. Do we wait until he's bouncing off the wall in the Netherlands? No, they're going out. They will have the time with other patients. But it's about the principle. Number one, you have a guideline, you follow it. You do not change your guideline by thinking, I heard someone smart from the Netherlands hearing something, I'll change my policies tomorrow. You certainly don't do. I would never hear me say that. I would hope that you trust, and your hospital is changing their guidelines quickly. But no, as long as they're in place, that is a professional standard you should follow. That's number one. So do not hear something and implement it. Make sure you do so on a strategic, with a plan in mind, and with everyone else in mind too. The plan should be that patients are isolated. And thereby we mean, especially when they get care, the main people who will spread the bugs are not the other patients among patients. I mean, they are still allowed to buy a Mars bar or anything else, what's candy, in the restaurant if they needed to, but only if absolutely needed. The mainstay should be there. The mainstay of the health care should be delivered and needs to be delivered in that isolation room by healthcare workers who follow that procedure. So you should not confuse that. And again, if you think about, you have an ethical dilemma because people in isolation get that. We did the research for that. And I know there are papers showing that they got less care. So we do have to remember healthcare workers to actually go into the room and deliver the care the patients need. That's one point. We looked at psychological tests, and guess what? A lot of our patients prefer to be in a single room over in a 4, 5, or 6 bed room, which we luckily don't have anymore, but in their hospital they did the research. So actually some might profit from a single room. And if you only look at the few individuals who get crazy by being by themselves in this room in isolation, yes, you do have to give them the freedom.